The Native American community has been one of the hardest hit by the coronavirus. The Muscogee Creek Nation has waited months for the vaccine, and now they're just days away from getting it. Our Vincent Hill shares the tribe's plan to protect their citizens. New at 6.
The Muscogee Creek Nation reports more than 60,000 confirmed cases of coronavirus and more than 600 deaths. Now help is on the way. The tribe is now just 48 hours away from turning the corner.
Thursday and Friday to start vaccinating all of the employees, and whoever we don't get Thursday and Friday, we will probably have to roll into the weekend.
The Secretary of Health for the Muscogee Creek Nation, Sean Terry, is part of the vaccine task force, which has been planning the rollout for months.
The first thing that we'll be focused on is vaccinating employees, frontline employees of the Department of Health.
460 doses are expected Wednesday, and 500 healthcare workers have already signed up to get the vaccine.
And then step 2 of the rollout will be to start focusing on those high-risk patients that are out in our communities.
High-risk patients like the elderly are those who are immunocompromised.
We've also been starting to make lists of patients and putting them in those categories of high risk and medium risk and low risk.
The third phase includes the general public.
We're going to try to also vaccinate households. And so it will go to tribal members and then also members of their household.
The timeline will depend on the number of vaccines the nation receives and when they receive them. Meanwhile, some citizens have concerns.
They asked very pertinent questions in regards to what were some of the potential side effects, what was the effectiveness of the vaccination.
Dr. Billy Beats is also on the task force. He's been reassuring the community about the safety of the vaccine.
We have meetings every week with the CDC as well as our Indian Health Service and urban partners. We've also had some presentations from Pfizer itself and presentations from Moderna as well.
Beats says although there are still a lot of unknowns, he urges people to get the vaccine.
It's better to receive a vaccine than to contract COVID.
In Okmulgee, Vincent Hill, 2 Works for You.